Hello, I want to do a video showing some of our Wyckoff indicators and how they help you with buy and sell points in trading ranges, uptrends, downtrends, etc. So first, this is a QQQ, and these are trades that we've given live to our subscribers and members and students. So first one up here, we had the sell on February 16th. You can see here that we had an uptrend channel in place. We came up to the top of the overbought trend line. On February 16th, we actually opened higher and then reversed and started going minus for the day. We had an overbought technometer, so we took that as an opportunity to get short, expecting at least a move down to the support line of the uptrend. And if not, actually, we was expecting a break of that trend line. So we did get a break as we came down to the lows of the move. You can see here our technometer there in green. Got oversold again down at 38 level. That warned us that the decline would slow or we would have a rally to correct the decline. So as we went lower and reversed back to the point where we gave a buy level, then we switched and went long, thinking that we'd have some type of corrective rally to retrace this decline. And we did have that. We did come back down here with another little ABC correction. You can see as by the blue arrows that the OP, which is volume, it came to a new low while price held at a higher level. And the technometer was coming down. It wasn't at 38, but it was at 41, which is an oversold, near oversold level. So we used that as a test of this low. And then we also recommended buys there. And again, somebody was selling here while price was holding. That means that the composite operator was accumulating positions on this decline, looking for another rally to new highs, or at least a further rally. And then here we are today. We're up here at the highs of the day. We've got a technometer that's near overbought. We've got volume has not come in strongly. You can see here no strong volume on the green bars here. So we're taking today as a sell in the QQQ. As many of you know, we also trade the cryptocurrencies markets and have our Pulse of the Market software for those markets. So here in front of us is a Bitcoin chart. So I have red marked for sells and green marked for buys. So you can see here, as we went to above 60,000, we were stating that we thought this rally would end. And one reason we did that, as you can see, that volume did not go to new highs while price did. So again, that shows not strong buy volume behind the move, could be suspect. And then we had an overbought technometer. So that warned us that possibly this could be an upthrust and we'd have a move back down to the middle of the trading range. We did have that. As we came down here, you can see the green arrows. We went to a new low on the volume, which shows selling coming in. Price holding a higher low, which shows somebody is supporting the markets behind the scenes. And we had an oversold technometer. So that's why we gave a buy of 52,200. So again, just ways to try to understand what's going on internally in the markets with price and volume, while also using our Wyckoff proprietary indicators of OP, force, and technometer.